And so we started teaching people, of course, all these years ago, how we invest. And then as we've met with many, many, many thousands of millionaires over the years, how did they invest? What are they doing? Well, we suggest, and I personally invest in good growth stock mutual funds. I spread it across four types: growth and income, growth, aggressive growth, and international. And I buy mutual funds that have at least a 10-year track record. Well, Dave, shouldn't you just buy index funds? Well, you can if you want. Index funds, basically an S&P 500 fund, mirrors the market. That basically is the stock market. And so you're going to do exactly what the stock market does, good or bad. The mutual funds that I buy outperform the S&P 500, and they're really not that hard to find. A lot of mutual funds don't outperform the S&P 500. So if you're going to buy that, well, that'd be dumb. Just buy an S&P 500. But I buy mutual funds that outperform the S&P 500, and my portfolio mix that I just outlined is pretty much always beats the market because I buy funds that outperform the market. It's not that hard to do. You open up the prospectus, and there's two little lines on the graph. One of them is the S&P 500. If the mutual fund you're looking at, if that line is below that S&P 500 line, don't buy that fund. Duh. This is hard. Really not that much to this. But, Dave, you just tell people buy those loaded funds. Yeah, those pay a commission. That's fine. Have somebody in your life helping you do the investing. All the data says that you'll continue to invest doing that.